Start by aligning the power unit with the glove connector. Slide the glove connector in position and close it. Place the power unit in the power unit sleeve. Use the zipper to close it. Carbonhand comes with two different carrying solutions. You can choose between a back carry or a hip carry solution. Use the belt straps that comes with your Carbonhand. It is recommended to attach the belt strap with the belt clip on the side of the power unit sleeve where the glove cord is attached. This will make it easier to remove the carry solution with your non-afflicted hand. The belt clips easily attaches to the power unit sleeve. Make sure that the glove cord is on top of the belt strap in order to avoid entanglement. Repeat the process on the other side. The two shoulder straps are marked with a blue color that indicates what direction the straps needs to be attached to the power unit sleeve. The clips attaches in the same way as for the hip carry solution. Any excess part of the end of the shoulder straps should be rolled up to avoid entanglement. Repeat the process on the other side.